The International Labour Organization estimates that around 3 million people die every year from unsafe working conditions. Work-related safety incidents result in the loss of approximately 4% of global GDP, and all of this affects developing countries disproportionately.
Welcome to GMIS 2024.
GMIS, co-chaired by Moyat and UNIDO, represents a pivotal platform for driving the transformation of global manufacturing. The UAE is honored to stand at the forefront of shaping a future where manufacturing is not only innovative and sustainable, but also inherently safe.
إن الاستثمار في السلامة ليس عبئاً إضافياً، بل هو استثمار استراتيجي يضمن مرونة العمليات ويحمي الأرواح ويعزز الثقة في الصناعات.
We, as UNIDO, pay particular attention to industrial safety. It is not just one employee, one company, or one country can improve safety. It is a shared responsibility.
We need to ensure partnership, we need to ensure collaboration, communication, as well as information sharing.
This summit is a powerful reminder of our shared mission to transform the future of manufacturing and to embrace innovation responsibly, shaping an industrial sector that is advanced, efficient, and built to thrive for generations to come.
To bring that industrial ecosystem which attracts foreign investors and to maintain also our national strategy.
The idea is to have automated advanced technology manufacturing. And how do we support and incentivize that?
Abu Dhabi is becoming a global hub for technology, investments. Most of the local, if not all the local companies are becoming global players.
It's also very important to consider the whole ecosystem, our startups and SMEs, and not just the medium to large size companies.
We have a moral, but also an economic imperative to tackle the global safety challenge head-on in a global scale. The Manifesto for Global Industrial Safety. Our teams have worked with experts from around the world, companies, regulators, and governments to identify a set of industry principles for the safe implementation of emerging technologies in industry.
We have to, in order to be resilient, embrace technology. In our operations, in our shop floor, in our production environments, there must not be a single point of failure which would result in your business stopping or the operational environment stopping.
We have to utilize these innovations to make sure that our response not only protects life, but also enhances it. Every step that we can take using technology as a razor blade that can shave off seconds and minutes can translate into life-changing scenarios.
Artificial intelligence and really collecting the know-how that we have and becomes very powerful, using technology to become safer.
This is very important that you always update it. You know very well what is the status of the system there, so you can feel that you are safe.
The keyword is solution, led by a good example to codify the success stories.
The culture of safety, building and developing further excellence in safety, is always start with line management, ensuring they have the right mindset, ensuring they're also directing and role modeling towards safety culture.
Putting the human at the center. When something doesn't look right, speak up, share, so we can learn together at our core.
There's a gap between a manifesto and implementation. So I just really hope that this is not a box that they will tick in, just as a gesture of support. This manifesto will build momentum, will drive change. Safety is not a luxury, it's not a privilege, it's a human fundamental right.